The app for GoPro is called Quik. The challenge is that when you land on the app, they're asking you to create an account and to sign it. And as you can see, it's a subscription model where you have to pay either monthly or yearly. There are two levels of subscriptions, a low level with the limited editing and tools, and the premium level at $50 a year with the premium level and more exclusive offer where you can turn in your GoPro if you want, unlimited cloud storage, blah blah, and guaranteed camera replacement. But the thing that I want to show you is if you are like me and you don't like to pay, but you still need to be able to control your GoPro, there is this icon on the top right corner, and it took me a while to find it, but you can still control your GoPro without paying anything. And you can see, I am moving my head, even, looking at the camera device. So this is a free. It's not advertised directly on the GoPro website because I think they are trying to trick you into paying, but it's a very good thing to know. By the way, if you want to buy any GoPro items, there is an affiliate link below this video in the comment section. You can follow it. It's an affiliate link with the very good GoPro products on Amazon. And if you have any questions about using this app, please ask them through the comment section. I will be very happy to answer to all your questions. Thank you very much for watching this video.